Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to be hopping into a nail tutorial, definitely something new for my channel, but I wanted to show you how to get this marble nail look. It's so easy. So I'm going to be using gel polishes and a lamp. If you don't have this or the same products, just use whatever you have. You can use normal nail polish. So I'm just going in with a white polish and I'm going to coat my hand or my fingers with one coat, and then I'm going to pop it in the lamp for 30 seconds. Now, don't mind my other hand where you see the black nails. I'm experimenting with these. I do my own nails, my own extensions, acrylics, hard gel. I do them so on myself, so I'm experimenting with my right hand with the black nails and the design. So I'm actually in the process of taking them out. You actually can see that's why they look the way they look, because I've already used my e-file to take off a lot of the bulk. Now I'm just cleaning up the edges here with a cleanup brush and some 50% alcohol, because I don't want to stick my hand in the lamp with the lines not being nice and crisp. I want to make sure they're nice and crisp. So after I stick it in for 30 seconds, I'm going to go ahead and put another coat of white nail polish because I want it to be really opaque.
That's Tasha, that's Steph. Let's go ahead and fill in the rest. We're gonna eat a little, drink a little. Our story time is the best. Have you LOL when you click play? No, this ain't no clickbait.
What's up, y'all? Hey guys, it's Steph and Tasha.
So, as you see, I wanted to show you guys one of my favorite ladies on YouTube. They are Steph and Tosh, and they do mukbangs or mukbangs, however you'd like to say it. And they are amazing. If you don't like it, still check them. If you don't like mukbangs or mukbangs, still check them out. They do a lot of fun challenges. They do pretty much real talk. They are amazing. You will love them. You can thank me later. Go show them love. Subscribe to them. And then I am now grabbing a liner brush. So I already have 2 coats of the white. I'm grabbing a liner brush, and I'm just going to take the black polish, and I'm literally going to draw random lines. There's no rhyme or reason. Just start drawing random lines on your nails. When you don't think about it, it just turns out better. And don't worry too much about it. That's why I like working with gel polish, because I can take my cleanup brush that you see here, dip it in alcohol, wipe the excess on the back of my hand, and I will start cleaning up anything that I'm not too fond of. So also what you want to do after you got your lines on, you'll want to keep one side of the black line nice and crisp, and the other side you want to blend it out a little bit. Now it doesn't have to be extreme. Just put a little blend on one side and make sure the other side is nice and crisp. And after you're done with that, you'll go ahead and stick it in the lamp for 30 seconds. Now if you notice, 30 seconds is our magic number between layers. Anytime we pop it in the lamp, it's going to be 30 seconds to set those layers. After I'm done with these lines, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my IBD hard gel. Now IBD hard gel, you use it to make extensions. It's used just like acrylic. I actually am just using it because I need some strength to my nail. When I filed off the last design, I filed off some of the acrylic. So since I have these layers of the gel polish and the IBD hard polish in between the layers, it's giving me some strength to my nail. So I will put a very thin, like the thinnest coat of Life onto my nail. After I cure it, after I cure the black lines, I will put the thinnest coat of Life of the IBD hard gel in clear over all of my nails. And this is also going to give it a 3-dimensional look. It's definitely going to give it some dimensions in between the layers, because not everything is just on one layer. It's going to make it look so much better. So as you're doing this, if you're using IBD hard gel or any kind of gel, make sure you're constantly wiping the sides of your nail, because you want to make sure you don't lose the shape. Gels in general they will add bulk to your nail. So in order not to lose the shape, you want to make sure you're putting thin coats and you're wiping the edges. So after we're done with the thin coat, I'm going to cap everything to make sure it does not get cured. Stick my hand in the lamp for, what is it? Another 30 seconds. That's right. So after the 30 seconds, I'm going to go ahead and take the brush I initially started with that had the white polish on it. I'm not going to put any additional polish on it. I'm literally just going to take the polish that it has on it, and I'm going to mix it with the black that you see there, that makes a gray. And I'm literally just taking that gray and tapping it on top of those black lines. Just literally just smear it onto the black lines. You're going to come back with your cleanup brush and you're going to clean up anything that you may not like, but you want that smeared effect because it's going to be in a layer of its own. So it's going to bring dimension to the nail, and it's also makes it look more natural as can be. Now what I have here is that IBD gel. I already cured the gray for 30 seconds, and I grabbed some IBD gel, very little off of the cap, and I have this very fine gold glitter from Walmart and another liner brush, and I just mixed the IBD gel and the glitter together, and I'm literally dabbing it just next to the black lines in just random places. Again, this is for dimension, and it just gives it a beautiful sparkle. Now you'll also see a little dab of some really gold polish. I lost the clip of the container, but it's just gold polish. And with that gold polish, I'm just gonna be putting that around the areas I put the glitter, and that's just to define them a little. Again, all for dimension. So if you don't have the gold polish, don't worry, you'll be absolutely fine with just the clear polish and the glitter, or the IBD hard gel and the glitter. Now, after I'm done with that and I cured it for 30 seconds, I'm gonna go in with my last layer of IBD gel and in the color clear, and I'm going to coat them, and I'm going to pop them in the lamp for 30 seconds. When they get out, as you see, I'm using the IBD top coat. It's a no wipe top coat, and I'm just gonna coat all of my nails, making sure before I pop them in the lamp that I'm wiping down the sides. Pop them in. I pop them in for 2 minutes, and this is what they look like at the very end. Now your lines will turn out different. Again, just don't think about it. The less you think about it, the better it turns out. But this is the finished product. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like the video. And I will be seeing you guys soon. Mwah. Besos todos.